Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 1997 Acura Integra Type R. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Integra Type R out of its box and it does look good. It has got white wheels with white paint. Looks good. Let's start from the front. So up front, you've got good details. You've got detailed headlamp, turn indicators, and Acura badge. Also, you can see the grille down there. You can see both the mirrors. I don't see any windshield wipers or rear view mirror inside. I think they messed on that one. Now, coming to the driver's side, it's a right-hand drive vehicle. So you've got two-door configuration. So obviously a door here. Fuel filler door, I think it's on the other side, but you can see this big spoiler in the back. So let's move to that. Again, you got this big spoiler. Again, nicely detailed tail lamps. If it can focus, you can see there's a Type R badge and Acura badge, and a single big exhaust at the bottom, right there. This is how it looks from the top. This is how the passenger side looks, and it has got the fuel filler cap on this side. That's the difference from the driver's side. Also, the interior is done in red. I wasn't expecting that, but it's a 90s Honda. Anything can happen. I don't know if you can look at that, but it has got racing seat with racing harnesses. Obviously a shifter there and a handbrake. Nice manual handbrake. So overall, it's a nice casting, especially for a mainline. It has got some great details. It looks really good, and obviously if you love JDM cars, you're gonna love this. Yeah, I think it's good. Matchbox has been doing some great job with this casting, and they look really nice. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.